Hey guys, Airsoft and Cornell again, back with another video. We're trying new game modes today. First one is one shot, one kill, sudden death, and the other one is infected. We're going to work on these game modes and tweak them a little bit over time and see how it goes. Just let me know what you think. Thanks.
I couldn't speak.
I got hit right in the hand.
Dude, I got hit like right there.
Ow.
Dude, I couldn't even say hit.
First ever time I blacked out, I was playing paintball. Got hit twice right here. Fell over.
So I'm off for the next week because the way the 4th is scheduled. In the middle of the week, they gave us a couple days off this week, and I don't go back until Monday, so I'll be catching up on a lot of video uploads. So just be patient with me. I got a lot more content coming out. Thanks. Big boy.
Hey, fat man, where are you? Fat so fatty man has his own
I thought I hear him crying. Yeah. Got him.
I didn't see him.
Yeah, it's big man.
Because he's fat. He's fat. He's really, really fat.
I was looking more towards the tower. With something. Yeah. Your hand. Anything.
I can't just do a tactical slide behind him.
Yeah, I did. I got him on camera.
Did you?
Yeah.
Content.
Literally drop down and slid. Whatever it takes. I don't know about that now.
I don't like my team.
I don't like mine though.
You don't have a team.
Every time Chris comes out here, oh, preacher's having a power trip.
I wasn't gonna say nothing. I was getting my shot.
I just can't wait for it to get dark and I can use my flashlight.
When you get
The two twins?
yeah.
Oh yeah. They always try to give me a hard time if I even try or think of the idea. I remember the excuse they gave me one time is that Goat Squad never gets split up.
They do. They do. They get split up.
We have 5 minutes. If one team is not eliminated by the end of the match, the team with the most players remaining will win.
Chris, you're up. You're up.
Yeah, I heard that.
That's the Suns, never mind.
I heard them hit you. It was like,
What's up?
I heard you had a little tap on your vest.
I got hit. I raised my hand, I said hit, and the guy hit me 4 more times. I said hit again, hit again, hit again. Thank you for a 4.
You got very close to the danger zone.
Yeah, I pulled the trigger. Oh, was it you?
I got you right at the start of the game. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good. It hurt a little bit. You're good. You know where?
I shot you all the
good.
way from Butcher Shop.
Yeah, how did you do that? With the AG?
Yeah.
Damn.
But like I went to the very back wall, crouched down, realized my sight wasn't on, turned the sight on, and then shot like twice. And I saw your little hand pop up. I was like, there's no way I got him.
What's saying? I can't get my GoPro to turn on. As soon as I got my GoPro to turn on and start recording, bam. You got it right second.
What's left? The 2 little younger guys?
2 little ones and Strawberry.
And my guy.
Strawberry, what are you hiding?
He's got a revolver.
Them little kids. They're the ones that don't care.
It's Strawberry, Chris. I also have footage from the weekend that I missed this past weekend when I was out in town in Nashville. So once I get that footage, I'll be able to get it uploaded here soon.
I could probably go toe to toe for you on that one. Getting shot by little kids.
I got lit up one day. When they walk right
They
behind me, I was
don't
thinking it's on my
let off
team.
the trigger. They just keep shooting.
On that little stand-up thing on top of the corn barrel.
I could have really just like, oh, I know what I'm doing next time.
You got to move in on them. They ain't gonna move. Strawberry's hunkered down.
Phil Pizza and Braille.
You know where that broken trailer is on that fence? When you go past it, there's that small building. I like ran up to it and immediately posted up on that fence. Yeah. I got bored over there because I didn't see nobody. So I looped back through Butcher, opened up the door, saw somebody at the car.
Thing is
popped a
split
few
up.
shots. Couldn't see where my BBs were going at all.
Where your boys at?
So then I just looped back through to where the hole is on that fence. I kind of shuffled through the fence.
Like I said, I thought I seen somebody stick their head through that fence. I thought there was some Christmas shooting at, so I popped one round over there and
You got one of them.
that corner.
We're doing best of 3.
That slow?
2 minutes remain.
Just 2.
Got there with a revolver.
Yep, with only 6 shots.
He's a sitting duck.
Watch out for the dead, please. Watch out for the dead.
They only got one of them.
So we're supposed to hold her gun or her hand?
No, there's 2 small kids left too. They're out right there. I see them. Oh,
His 2 kids are still out there.
Get shot by people.
if they're out, they need to be over here out of line of fire.
I'm hit again.
If you're up, come over here.
Yes, they don't take no extra rounds.
Walk that way. Don't get in his line of sight. Don't get in his line of sight.
They don't send us taking no unnecessary rounds.
So bad for Strawberry.
Okay, so here is the second game. We're starting on the back side of the map this time. So let's see how this side works. Left side hill, one on top. What? Limo? Hey, got one in first story. First story of the building. You have to run the staircase.
Hey, I shot 2 off first. There's one more left. Where was they at? Three of the first one dead. 3 of the first one dead. That's 3 of them out.
He went inside, top side of the hill, left, top side of the hill.
Top side of the hill.
Yeah, they're all dead or? They're pushing hill. 3 of them. Yeah, a bunch of them pushed hill. Come on.
Watch the hill, watch the hill.
Watch the hill.
Are we allowed to go up this or was that Suckers are still pretty dumping. They can't go up on the hill though, can they?
No. They could go near the hill, but not on the hill.
That's what I was thinking. I guarantee that's where Granger went. Get up high and get up.
Spencer, is that clear?
Huh?
Yeah. All right, Granger's out. Granger's out.
What? Ranger was the one pushing and he got out.
How many are left?
I don't know. I know there's a little kid somewhere wearing all blue. Or wearing a blue shirt. He was on this left side and he ran back when I started shooting him.
All right, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
On the hill?
Yeah. Right here, right here, right here. I got him.
Oh. I got him.
I heard him yell hit.
Oh, nice. Oh, I'm gonna just go ahead and swap before I get into a gunfight and need it. They're shooting at us because that was close.
Where is he up here?
Huh?
How close is he up here?
Oh, I can't tell. It's one of those things I can't see him, so I can't tell. Where'd our teammate go?
I don't know. But I'm about to wrap back around.
They got any left.
This was one dude on top of the hill over here.
That's
Yeah.
Granger.
No, he already got shot, didn't he?
Two of them just walked out like they got hit. Spencer's sneaking to the left side.
All right.
Granger!
Kind of damn it. Almost tripped over her head.
I'm figuring her in the ice cream. If I had to guess.
Hey, Spencer. Push ice cream shop.
Our teammate's already up there at ice cream.
Yes. So where's this dude shooting at us?
I shot. We have a teammate on ice cream.
We have a teammate on ice cream?
Yes, teammate on ice
Then where the fuck is he at? He's got to be between us all. Granger will hide in that van if they're keeping getting shot. I promise you Granger's tucked away somewhere. I think Chris is on the horse trailer over there. Somebody's shooting.
guys still on the trail?
No, he's dead. He's dead. Wait, is that game? Hey, yo, is that game? Yeah. What? We didn't hear y'all.
The game?
Yeah. Yeah, that was a game. Okay, so this infected game mode, the way this works is that red and blue mix together, and then infected are the non-armbands. So basically, if they shoot anybody in our team, we have to take our armband off and go join them. And the team with the most colored band wins. So I didn't really know who won into this game. Like I said, these game modes are still a work in progress. We'll let y'all know and update them through the future. Yeah, let's do that.
Did I just stay in there?
Bear in mind, they got a couple, so there may be a couple try to sneak down there.
Make sure you're watching the backside too.
I know they got the dad and those kids.
Alright, we got ghillies out there, so they do okay.
You see him by the church
Yeah,
with a flashlight?
yeah.
I think he's the uninfected.
Now, I never really saw anybody, but apparently this is where I got poison ivy on my arm for like a week. So if you play here in the summertime, just beware. Please wear sleeves. I still have it on my arm, but it's going away slowly. 10 minutes. Hey, you said 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
You coming down the road?
No, but I'm watching it right now. They can't see me from this side, but I got my pistol out just in case. Now I just sat here on the creek side for like 10 minutes. Never saw anybody coming this way. Apparently they're all towards city, but this is a good hiding spot for a good 10-15 minutes. And the game was like 25 minutes long. Yeah. Alright. Watch that way, watch this way. They can't see me from the side, I'm blended in. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. I'll be back at Doomsday this weekend, probably for Block A. Weather's looking nice, so I'll see y'all then. Also, some of my Veritas teammates will be there this weekend. Please be kind to them. That's all I ask. Thank you. That's game. That's game.